Well, first up, let's begin with a breaking update today. What is now expected as a court in Kolkata is all set to announce its verdict in the highly anticipated case involving the rape and murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor at the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital last year. The horrifying incident that had occurred in August 2024 that sent shockwaves across the nation, sparking widespread protests demanding justice for the victim. Sanjay Roy, the civic volunteer with Kolkata police, stands accused of committing this heinous crime in the seminar hall that was reported. And today is the day, what we are learning in North 24 Parganas in Sealdah Court, that would be announcing the verdict of the Arjikar rape and murder case. Now, with these developments coming to light as far as when it comes to the victim's father, the parents there, who have raised, however, serious concerns, alleging that the investigation was still incomplete and there are possibly involvement of others in the crime. Now, they have also claimed that more than one person may have been involved in this brutal act. Listen in when it comes to the concerns that continue to be raised on part of the family.
सीबीआई की अब तक जो तफ्तीश है, चार्जशीट जो कह रही है, उसका निर्देश ये है संजय रॉय वही अकेले इस करतूत के पीछे थे। क्या कहना है?
लेकिन जो सीएफएसएल का जो रिपोर्ट है, डीएनए रिपोर्ट है, उधर और भी आदमी और लड़की दो लड़की का उपस्थित होने का संभावना है। उन्होंने रिपोर्ट ठीक से नहीं बना और ठीक से रिपोर्ट करेंगे। कल हम एक डीएनए विशेषज्ञ जो है, हमारा सोदपुर में रहते, हम नहीं जानते थे, उसका साथ बातचीत किया। उन्होंने एक रिपोर्ट लिख के दिया है, अपने सिग्नेचर करके फाइल बनाकर बोला है एफिडेविट करके कोर्ट में जमा कर दीजिए। ये जो डीएनए रिपोर्ट दिया है, इसका अंदर और भी आदमी जुड़ा हुआ है, देखा ही जा रहा है, लेकिन सीबीआई नहीं देख पा रहा है। यही हमको क्वेश्चन है। हम ये क्वेश्चन हाई कोर्ट में भी रखा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी रखा है, और सब देखेंगे और न्याय पूरा जो आदमी इसका साथ जुड़ा हुआ है सामने लाएंगे। उसका बाद हम बोलेंगे हाँ, हमको न्याय मिला।
आपका कहना है संजय अकेले नहीं हो सकता इस अपराध?
नहीं, जो विशेषज्ञ है, कोई किशोप ने बोला संजय अकेला नहीं है।
Now, those are the concerns and questions being raised by the family. However, the case that was taken up by the CBI, which charge sheet has now revealed disturbing details of the brutality of the crime. Exactly when it comes to the details, according to the charge sheet, that the victim was on a 24-hour shift on the night of 8th of August 2024. She had spoken to her mother last at around 11:15 p.m. shortly before the crime was committed. The following morning, a doctor discovered the victim in the seminar hall 3, where she was found lying in a pool of blood with injuries to her eye, to her neck and to her cheeks. Her undergarments were also found besides her, and blood was also that was visible on her lower limbs. Now, there has been DNA analysis that has confirmed that the victim's blood was found on the jeans and on the shoes of the accused, Sanjay Roy, who is said to be the main accused in this case. And the accused hair was also found at the crime scene. Now, the CBI has also revealed that Sanjay Roy was intoxicated, having repeatedly consumed alcohol before the incident, and the cause of the death that has now been determined as asphyxia due to strangulation. Now, doctors in the Arjikar hospital still continue to protest, as they say that justice still not has been given to them.
We have with us Aniket Mahato, one of the leading face of the Arjikar protest, which led a widespread protest across the world. Aniket, finally the day has come. All eyes are fixed to this verdict day. What is your expectation? You are determined to bring the justice for the disease, your colleague. So what is your expectation from this verdict?
Yes, absolutely right. From the beginning of the movement, our first aim or first motto is absolutely clear. First, you tell how many person is involved. It is single person or more than one person. If you want to say a single person is involved, so please tell. If single person is Sanjay Roy, so please tell what is the motive of the Sanjay Roy. Why a civic volunteer came in Arjikar Medical College, enter in the campus, go to the seminar room and do the crime. How can it is possible from outside of a campus at around 4 or 4:30 in between midnight, how can it is possible from one person outside the campus? Number 2 is, what is the motive? Number 3 is, in CBI charge sheet, CBI clearly said that evidence tamper, investigation has up, evidence destruction is happened in 9th August rape and murder case by ex-principal Sandeep Ghosh and Tala Thana OC Abhijit Mandal.
Right.
So, can you tell it, if single person is involved in this case, so, and this accused is Sanjay Roy, so is this evidence destruction investigation has up is taken for Sanjay Roy? A civic volunteer, ex-principal and OC of the Tala Thana do the investigation evidence tamper. How it is it believable? It is a भरोसा का बात नहीं हो सकता.
Well, Ritik is joining us live right now because today is a big day. Ritik, when are we expecting as far as the court verdict is concerned? Because any observations that is being made by the judge is likely to throw more light as far as when it comes to the allegations that have been leveled during the course of investigation that was taken up by the Kolkata police and thereafter the case that was taken over by the CBI.
Well, definitely, after 162 days of the heinous crime that went to shockwave across the nation that took place in Kolkata's state-run Arjikar Medical College and Hospital, in which a 31-year-old budding medic was brutally raped and murdered inside the hospital premises while she was on duty. The Kolkata Court here is scheduled to pronounce the judgment at around 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. And let me also show you what is happening over here. What we are given to understand that some time from now, the prime accused, Sanjay Roy, who will be produced before the court, will be taken to the Kolkata Court. Adequate arrangements, security arrangement. Top cop of Kolkata police are also letting us know that the additional forces have been deployed, and police are also suspecting there will be a huge turn up. Let me also tell you that we spoke to Aniket Mahato, one of the leader of the Junior Medic Association. They also called for a huge gathering over here at the court premises ahead of this crucial verdict. But we all know that recently the trial of this case ended, and it was entirely closed door trial. But we precisely learning. But all eyes are fixed to today's judgment, and what we also learning from the victim family, they are anguished, they are quite disappointed with the kind of the investigation the Central Probing Team CBI did so far. As per the charge sheet, that the former civic volunteer of Kolkata Police, Sanjay Roy, is the prime accused in this case, and he
is during the entire phase of the investigation filed one charge sheet in which it identified Sanjay Roy as the sole prime accused in the rape and murder case. As Ritik continues to be with us, we talk about the political tensions that seems to be rising over the handling of this case. The ruling TMC, which has criticized the prolonged CBI probe, pointing out to what the Kolkata police had uncovered in just 5 days, it took CBI 5 months. TMC leaders have accused the opposition of attempting to defame the state government and the police, saying that the CBI investigation has cleared the air of any tampering with evidence. On the other hand, BJP raised questions about the involvement of others in the crime. BJP has expressed doubts that Sanjay Roy acted alone, with some even suggesting that the Supreme Court should rather intervene and ensure justice is served.
My expectation is very simple. From day one, we have demanded the highest punishment under the law for the rapist and the murderer of Abhaya in Calcutta. What Calcutta police have done in 5 days, CBI did it in 5 months. The prime accused was arrested by Kolkata police in 24 hours. We have submitted all the evidence. There is no evidence of tampering. There are no multiple people in this. It's not a case of gang rape. There is one single accused which is arrested by the Kolkata police.
And now it is a question of the final order. Our Honorable Chief Minister, from the very first day, she was demanding the death penalty of this kind of heinous crimes, that is rape, crime, murder. So in this case also, Mamata Banerjee demanded death penalty from the first day, And now that is our stand.
The Bengal people are not happy because we finally our assumption it's a very true fact that multiple number of goons and government person, including the health administration of the state, particularly RG Medical College administration and Kolkata police, they are totally involved regarding this heinous crime.
Now, as the Kolkata court is set to announce the verdict today in the afternoon in the tragic case as far as the rape and murder is concerned, my colleague also brings you this ground report coming in. Let's take a look.
Shialda Court here in Kolkata is scheduled to pronounce the judgment in a rape and murder case of a junior medic that went a shockwave across the nation. Happened in the month of August last year in Kolkata state-run RG Medical College and Hospital. Adequate security arrangements have been done over here where we are given to understand that special officers and additional forces have been summoned to guard the entire premises of the Shialda court. But we are also learning that police is also expecting a huge turn-up ahead of this judgment, which is scheduled to be pronounced at 2:30 p.m. This Saturday afternoon. And what we can see that this entire vicinity has been guarded, and what we can see measures are being taken by the police officials. And we are also learning that this judgment will be pronounced by the judge in presence of the prime accused in this case. But there are multiple questions are being raised by the many spectators, particularly the victim family. We spoke to the victim parents and they said they are quite unhappy with the charge sheet that has been given by the central probing team, suggesting that the Sanjay Roy, who was the prime suspect, is the lone criminal behind the heinous crime. They are not ready to buy this point, and many other protesting doctors, particularly the junior doctor forum in the city, they are also going to protest over here. They are expected to gather over here. They are also saying there are multiple angles and needs to be checked in, and also they want that the central probing team should not leave any stone unturned, because they think that it could not be done by a lone person.
So we'll keep you updated as far as this verdict today is concerned. That would be taking place today in the Shialda court in West Bengal. In the meantime,